Hey, what's up guys? My name's Tony and welcome to my React series on React. This is my first time. Okay. Hey, I'm Tony and welcome to my React series. So I'm starting this series basically with a focus on teaching React with a lens of someone who's currently studying computer science. I wanted to start this series and kind of this whole YouTube channel because I feel like I have a good lens to sort of teach React to people who are studying computer science because that's what I'm doing. And I've been writing the Reacts and the JAVASCRIPT also because your boy has no life. I think that I can draw commonalities between React and like the JavaScript ecosystem and what we get taught in school like C++ and Java. So in order to marry these two ideas together, I need to make sure that I take the JavaScripts and the C++s and join them together. Okay, so what is React and why should you learn it? What's the cool thing? So React is basically a JavaScript framework that lets you build user interfaces. And so basically that means that you can write this and get web applications, static sites, and with a similar syntax you can even write mobile applications with React Native. So there's a lot to learn, a lot to be excited about, why you should learn it. I feel like in the industry right now there's kind of, well, if you just want to create software, I think it's pretty important. It's just a good skill to have for right now. So essentially I'll be breaking down this series into a couple of different bits, kind of shorter videos, but we are going to go over state, we're going to go over props, we're going to go over how to think in kind of a component-based architecture, which is how React works, and we'll go over what components are in general. So working with APIs, getting and grabbing data and pushing data and doing all this stuff, popular libraries that are used throughout the industry that you should know because they're basically part of the whole ecosystem of how you work with things. You use a lot of these popular libraries. Deploying a React app and testing because we all write bad code. So, and I definitely want to make sure that we cover how React Native plays into things. The next video will be a kind of, we'll explain some of the context behind why React came into play, why it's important. We'll go over basically things like HTML, CSS, and JS and how that kind of plays into the ecosystem. I plan to release videos every Saturday because I film on Thursdays and Fridays. A little bit more about me. I'm currently a senior at the University of Florida. I've been coding for around 4 years now. Been coding for other companies for about 2 years now. Been writing React for about 4 years as well. So, know a thing or two. However, not an expert. There's some really cool people you can follow, link in the descriptions. And if you want, you can follow me on Twitter. It's probably where I'm most active. Best retweets in the game. Yeah, you can go ahead and follow me at Tifayeta. Again, thank you for watching. I never said it the first time, but go ahead.